I've been running in circles, I've been chasing the sun. I guess I'm looking for something, but I just don't know what. Everything has a purpose, everyone has their doubts. Why does it feel so uncertain? Why you running around? It ain't easy, leave it up to me.
You got any stakes for that thing? No sledgehammer, won't do it?